Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text embedding to compare two text using MediaPipe in Flutter application. Now this video will be only for Android, and secondly, like, I know what you might be thinking, like if you want to compare two text we can use the normal equal to sign as well in Dart. Why do we need text embedding? But even I'm not really sure about it. Like I don't have great knowledge of text embedding, but I think there might be some use case in which text embedding might be better, like I think in vector databases or something like that. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I just wanted to show it to you guys. So again, the output is very simple. Here I have one button, I am passing two text to it, just checking the similarity of it, and if they are equal you will get 1.0. if they are not equal you will get less than 1.0. Okay, so firstly you will have to go to the documentation over here and you will have to download this TensorFlow Lite model. I have already downloaded it. Next you will have to create a Flutter application. In lib main.dart you will have to refactor your home page widget. So as you can see, I have taken one method channel, I have taken the text platform as well, and here I have taken text button. So on press of the button I am invoking a method called check embedding, and these are the two sentences which I am comparing. So given that they are equal, I am getting the output as 1.0, and whatever output you get I am setting it to this variable and then displaying in this particular text. Next you will have to go to the Android folder, go to settings.gradle, make sure like it's better to use Kotlin 1.9.0, but you can keep it as it is as well if you want to. Next go to app build.gradle, and here you will have to use the min SDK version 224, and here you also need to add this implementation of MediaPipe task text. Next go to src main, create folder called assets. Here you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model. Next go to Kotlin main activity.kt. Here I have created our method channel result. Then I am using base options.builder and setting our model asset path. Now this name should be the same whatever you have defined over here. Then I am calling base options.builder.build. Then I am creating our options builder by using text embedder options.builder, and then we are calling options builder.build. Here I am initializing our text embedder, and on configure Flutter engine, this is our method channel. Once this method is called, instead of like this hard coding it, you can use something like this. Okay, so if you remember, inside our main.dart file we are passing it like this, data and data1. So you can pass it something like this, and then get the embedding results, embeddings dot first, and then to compare it you can compare using text embedders cosine similarity, and pass the first embed as well as the second embed as well. Next, and then you can pass the data back to the Flutter side using method channel. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.